Carl. You have the hiccups. Oh, poor babies. Are they okay? I know. They kind of hurt, huh? Aww. Yeah, those are no fun. Aww.